Hello, welcome back to my channel. As I promised before, now I will explain about the main part of the chilled water system. It's called water chiller units. Here I will explain drawing, reading, basic work of the equipment and installation of the equipment and the arrangement of the equipment. In this video, I will show you how to connect a water chiller unit in the chilled water system. What kind of equipment need to connect a chiller unit? Don't skip this video, and if you are new, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my next video easily. In the previous video, we learned how to read a drawing of the chiller system, used common equipments, symbol of the equipments in the drawing, full meaning of the symbols. If you didn't watch that video, please watch that video first. Otherwise, you may not understand clearly. The link given in the description box. One important thing always keep on your mind. There are more than one water chiller unit in every chilled water system. Because this is 24/7 continuous running system. In this situation, any unit may be damaged. So for the machine safety, one should stand by and others on duty and randomly change it. Let's have a look in the drawing first. Okay, this is one of our plant. These are the water chiller unit. In this circuit, we have 3 water chiller machines. One for standby and other 2 for on duty. Now I will show you how to connect this unit in the system. What kind of equipment used for chiller connection and what is the equipment work. This is the main line. This line also called chiller inlet header. This line is coming from primary pump section. Primary pumps collect water from the domestic area and send this water to chiller units for cooling. From the inlet header, there is one line connect to chiller inlet. In this line, first equipment is isolation valve. In the drawing, symbol is IV. It's also called gate valve. It's used for stopping water flow of the unit any necessary. Next equipment is strainer. In the drawing symbol, it is called STR. You can see in the footage. It's used for clean water. If any dust or waste inside the pipe water, these wastes can be harmful for the unit. That's why strainer need to clean these wastes. Next point is drain with gate valve. Drawing symbol is D. It's installed bottom of the pipe. During the unit maintenance, inlet and outlet both isolation valve will be closed and then reserve water can be thrown out by the drain. After that, the temperature sensor point. Drawing symbol is TS. It's for measurement of pipe water temperature. Generally, chiller inlet pipe water temperature is around 12 degrees Celsius. And then the pressure gauge point. Drawing symbol is PG. It's for the measuring water pressure inside the pipe. After that, this point is for thermostat connection. Its drawing symbol is TH. At the end, the flexible connector to connect the chiller inlet. Drawing symbol is FC. It is also called rubber connector. It is very useful to isolate the meshing vibration from the pipeline. When the domestic water go inside the water chiller unit, the water lost around 6 degrees Celsius temperature. Then 6 degrees Celsius water come out from the outlet pipe and goes to secondary pumps to distribute all around the domestic area. Same as inlet pipe, outlet pipe also have a flexible connector. After that have one point for automatic air vent. The drawing symbol is AAB. Sometimes write only AB. If there are any air bubbles inside the pipe, it will be ventilate them. Here also have one pressure gauge in outlet line, same as inlet line. After that, outlet pipe has one more point for flow switch. In the drawing symbol is FS. It is connected to BMS to calculate the water flow inside the pipe. Here also have thermostat point and drain point, same as inlet pipe. And after that, the motorized valve. Drawing symbol is MB. This is butterfly motorized valve. It can control water flow automatically. After that, the double regulating valve. Drawing symbol is DRB. And at the end, the isolation valve, then connect to chiller outlet header that goes to secondary pump section. These are the arrangement of a chiller unit equipment as per drawing. Let's go to the site now. I will show you the practical work of chiller unit connection.
Hi friends, we are on the spot now. You see here, these are called water chiller machine. In this system we have 3 water chiller. So 3, 2 for on duty and 1 for standby. Now let's see the connection of this water chiller machine. All the connections are typical.
Every chiller unit has 2 connection points. One is water in, that means inlet, and other connection point is water out, that means outlet. Here you can see 2 main lines. One is coming from primary pumps. It's called chiller inlet header. Other goes to secondary pumps. It's called chiller outlet header. All the chiller inlet connected to chiller inlet header and outlet connected to outlet header. This is the inlet header. Subline connected by the elbow. Then the isolation valve. Also it's called gate valve. After that, the strainer. Here is one point bottom of the pipe for the drain. Then some points for thermostat, pressure gauge, temperature sensor, and any specification equipment. This is the flexible connector, and at the end connected to chiller inlet. Let's have a look final setting of a chiller inlet connection. Inlet header, isolation valve or gate valve, strainer, bottom of the pipe drain line with gate valve, thermostat point, extra point, pressure gauge with gate valve. Temperature sensor. This is the chiller outlet connection. Same as inlet connection, here also have flexible connector. These are the some points for automatic air vent, pressure gauge, flow switch, temperature sensor and thermostat. Bottom of the pipe also have another drain point. This is the motorized valve. After that, DRV. DRV means double regulating valve. There are two test points both sides of the DRV. Then the isolation valve at the end connected to the chiller outlet header that goes to the secondary pumps. Here we make a temporary bypass for the inlet and outlet connection for the flushing. That's why we remove connection from the unit for unit safety. This is the automatic air vent. After that, this is pressure gauge. Here is one point for flow switch. After that, this one temperature sensor. Then this is the thermostat point. Outlet line also has the drain point. This is the drain point. This is the motorized valve. After that, this one DRV, that's mean double regulating valve. And then gate valve at the end connected to the outlet header. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. That's all about the chiller unit connection details. If you have any questions, please write in the comment. I will try to answer. Next video I will explain about the pumps connection.